From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with dry skin and a stuffy nose? The LEVOIT Smart Humidifier for bedroom and home is here to change that. This game-changing device is part of the LEVOIT brand's impressive lineup of HEPA air purifiers, offering a unique combination of smart tech, comfort, and large coverage. With its rapid moisture and instant relief features, you can say goodbye to sinus issues and congestion. The warm and cool mist options, combined with a double duct design, provide quicker and more even humidification, giving you instant relief and a comfortable sleeping environment. This popular and well-reviewed humidifier also features a healthier humidifying process, reducing white dust from water, and offering safety with the warm mist temperature set between a comfortable range. You can personalize your comfort with the auto mode, which maintains humidity levels between 40 and 60%, creating a soothing ambience that's perfect for relaxation. The effortless smart control allows you to manage your humidifier remotely, creating schedules that sync with your daily routine, making it easy to maintain a healthy environment. In real-life use, this humidifier has been a lifesaver for people who struggle with dry air, providing a noticeable difference in skin texture and breathing. The whisper-quiet operation and sleek design make it a great addition to any bedroom or home. Whether you're looking to relieve sinus pressure or simply create a cozy atmosphere, the LEVOIT Smart Humidifier is the perfect solution. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, it's no wonder this product is a top choice among customers. So why wait? Give your body the comfort it deserves and try the LEVOIT Smart Humidifier today. You won't regret it. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.